Let's talk about your wishes and your desires. If you've ever had, say, a dream or a wish or a goal that you've wanted for a long time, but you haven't been able to manifest it, it could have to do with your subconscious beliefs. So we have two levels of beliefs. First, we have our conscious beliefs, what we know we want, and then we have our subconscious beliefs. And when the two differ, that is where we start to have some problems. So for example, say you have the conscious want for a cup of coffee. And so to satisfy that, you go to a coffee shop and you go get that cup of coffee. In this instance, our conscious belief, our conscious goal of wanting a cup of coffee aligns with our subconscious belief of going to get one and that it's okay to have coffee. So in that case, our goal lines up, it's easy. Conscious goal, subconscious belief. Conscious beliefs, subconscious beliefs. Everything lines up, right? But what if you have a goal such as wanting to make a certain amount of money, or trying to achieve a certain kind of job, or wanting to have a certain kind of relationship, but it's not manifesting? That has to do with a subconscious belief within your own system that is stopping you from having that belief. So let's take a deeper dive into this and look at something that's really common for a lot of us: making more money. So say you have the conscious desire to make more money. I know I've had that conscious desire. So say then you take a look at your subconscious beliefs within there, and maybe you might have, with digging, you might have a subconscious belief that if you have a lot of money, the people close to you will leave you. In that case, your subconscious belief doesn't line up with your conscious goal, because in your subconscious, you believe that if you make this certain amount of money, you're going to have all the people in your life leave. And it may not make rational sense. The logical mind can rationalize it away and say, oh no, that's not logically true. But somewhere subconsciously, emotionally, deep down inside, that is what we believe. That is the subconscious belief that's holding us back. So with this dissonance there, that everyone's going to leave your life, or something tragic will happen, or you become a kind of person that you don't like, whatever that your subconscious belief is that's holding you from achieving your conscious goal, that is what we need to take a look at. So the discrepancy between your goal and this subconscious belief is what's kind of known as a nervous tension or an anxiety within ourselves. So when we have this goal and we have the subconscious belief that keeps us from this goal, actually what's going to happen is our subconscious mind is going to win. Our subconscious mind is actually protecting us from losing all of our friends, from having a negative impact on our life that we perceive that our subconscious perceives that we will have if we achieve this goal. So what do we do about that? So this discrepancy is that nervous tension. The more we try for this goal, the more our subconscious is going to pull us back from having this goal, because it's doing us a favor to protect us. So what that causes is nervous tension, a kind of an anxiety within us. And so what do we do to remedy that? One thing we can do is to drop the goal. So if we eliminate our desire for the goal, if we eliminate the goal itself, tension is gone. If we don't have that money, then we won't lose our friends. Fine. We don't want to have that money, we're gonna keep our friends. Everything stays same, everything stays comfortable according to our subconscious belief, tension is gone. The other way to relieve that tension is to address it in a number of ways that range from healthy to unhealthy. So for example, if we're going for that goal of wanting money, we're not getting it, we're feeling that stress and anxiety, and we don't know why, we can resort to yoga, meditation to ease that stress. We can also resort to some unhealthy measures such as drinking or eating or doing other harmful behaviors. So what's the third way? The third way is to actually transform that subconscious belief so that it's in alignment with our goal. How great is that, right? What if we can take a look at all of our subconscious beliefs, one at a time, all of them that are unique to us, all of them that are specific to us, and transform them so that they're not a sticking point anymore, but they actually line up with and support our goal. That is how we achieve massive and quick results in the flow, in alignment with our goals. Once we transform our subconscious beliefs and we have them align with our goals, our subconscious beliefs are in alignment with our goals, and then our goals manifest quickly, easily, and naturally. So what is this technique that helps us to transform our subconscious beliefs and have them be in alignment with our goals? To learn more about this method, be sure to download the book, How to Let Big Money Flow by Daria Trutneva. It details exactly this process. How do we find some of the most common subconscious blocks that hold us back, specifically in the area of flowing money to ourselves and achieving our financial goals, and also helps you to identify your own specific blocks within yourself and helps you to then change those, transform those subconscious blocks so that your goals and your subconscious beliefs are in alignment. Be sure to check out the link down below to download your copy and also to try out a free version of the software and see how you can transform your own subconscious beliefs. Be sure to like our video if you found this video helpful and subscribe because we show videos every week. See you next week.